Namaste and welcome to Shilparam Yoga, Health at your fingertips with Mudra Magic, Part 2. Our hands have a treasure trove hidden in our fingertips. Apart from cooking, cleaning, drinking, eating, typing, painting, driving, dancing, etc., our hands can act like a remote control, handling our physical, emotional, and spiritual health. By activating the nerves on our fingertips in different mudras, they can help to link the brain to the body, soothe pain, change the mood for good, and increase our vitality. With thumb as a constant and fingers as variables, we have seen 8 mudras, rather 9, in part 1 of Health at Fingertips with Mudra Magic. Now here we are going to see the remaining 6 mudras, which will be done by folding more than one finger and gently touching it with the thumb tip. We are moving from simple to complex. In fact, simple to a little less simple. Let's start. Prana Mudra. Pran is the life force residing in our body. It's a very important mudra as it activates the energy in our body. To perform this, bend your ring finger and little finger and touch the tips of both these fingers with the tip of your thumb. Keep the other 2 fingers pointed straight. This mudra reduces fatigue and tiredness. During fasting, practicing Pran Mudra helps to sustain and maintain energy despite low intake of food and water. Helps cure muscle spasm, painful sensation and weakness in the legs by improving blood circulation. Helps to overcome the negative feelings and boosts self-confidence. Apana Mudra. Apan Vayu is one of the 5 types of Vayu primarily responsible for elimination. It is referred to as the purification mudra. Apan Mudra is specifically used to detoxify and purify the body while balancing the elements of fire, space and earth within it. For performing it, bend your middle finger and ring finger and touch the tips of both these fingers with the tip of your thumb. Keep the other 2 fingers pointed straight. It helps in diabetes problem, in proper kidney function, release of extra gas in stomach, regularization of excretory system, relieves constipation, and helps in maintaining the large and small intestine health. Apana Vayu Mudra. It is also known as Heart Mudra or Sanjeevani Mudra. To perform this mudra, you need to touch the tip of the index finger at the baseline of the thumb. Then join the tip of the thumb with the tips of the middle finger and ring finger. Leave the little finger extended as much as comfortable. This mudra prevents heart disorders, cures shrinking of heart arteries, reduces the damage of the heart attack and allows the victim to arrive hospital safely. It also cures the problem of gastric irritation and bloating, which is caused by the excess of air element in the body. It prevents respiration related problems. Now the next 3 mudras are going to be done by using all the fingers in different styles. Pay attention. Shankha Mudra. It is a hand gesture that looks like the shape of a conch shell. For performing it, wrap the 4 fingers of the right hand around the left thumb. Keep the 4 fingers of the left hand straight and pointing upward. Roll the encircled thumb a little to adjust it upwards. Now join the tip of the right thumb with the middle fingertip of the left hand. Join both the hands together so that they come in the shape of a conch or shank. Take your hands closer to your chest level. Close your eyes for as long as you want. Slowly chant Om within yourself and hear the word being echoed within yourself. It helps in disorder of vocal cords and stuttering and stammering. Moreover, it also improves the functioning of the larynx, that is voice box. Persons with loss of appetite can do this mudra. It brings the digestive system on track and increases the appetite. This mudra relieves allergies caused by dust and smoke, so throat becomes clean. Also pacifies skin rashes. It helps in weakness and even helps in paralysis of muscles. Just like a conch is a symbol of auspiciousness, practicing this mudra removes the negativity and fills the self and surrounding with harmony. Linga Mudra. Upright thumb position in this mudra is considered a symbol of Bhagwan Shiv. Interlock the fingers of both hands so that knuckles point outward. Point right thumb straight upward and take your left index finger and left thumb around your right thumb and join their fingertips behind the right thumb. Alternatively, practice Ling Mudra by sticking up your left thumb and encircling it with right index finger and right thumb. It generates heat within the body, which can help the body fight many infections, common cold, extra mucus production, and fever regulation. It can increase metabolism or the rate at which the body burns energy. Helps strengthen the lungs and immune system. Eliminates lethargy and laziness. Dhyana Mudra. It is shared across several Eastern meditation disciplines. To do Dhyan Mudra, simply sit with your hands facing upward, right hand resting on top of your left palm, and join the thumb tips. The right hand represents enlightenment and higher spiritual faculties, so rests over the left hand, representing the world of Maya or illusion. Gautam Buddha is often pictured doing this gesture. The significance of this mudra is to gain deeper concentration, tranquility, and inner peace. So naturally, it takes care of most of our health issues as we can remain calm and relaxed. This is Diwali time, and Ma Lakshmi is the goddess of good fortune, prosperity, and wealth. So is Bhagwan Kuber, the god of wealth. We are going to learn a mudra called Kuber Mudra. You have to touch your last two fingertips after bending them to the palm, and first two fingers and their tips to the thumb tip, and bend them slightly. So this is how it will look from all the angles, a 360-degree view of Kuber Mudra. When you do this mudra regularly, it activates your frontal and parietal lobe of the brain, making you more perceptive, more logical, more disciplined, and able to take decisions in a sensible manner. So those who want material wealth can definitely gain it because of these abilities of theirs. But remember, there's always a catch. We are doing a mudra related to yoga. And health is also wealth. So it's very important to take care of our health, and mudras help us in that. Physical, mental, spiritual health. Keep practicing with devotion. See you soon. Namaste and happy Diwali.